Good morning, afternoon, and evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for watching our video in YouTube channel. I'm glad to see you all. Let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Ghifari and my partner Azmi and Ghea. Okay, so today I would like to give you a tutorial as database administrator to configure and manage barbershop database. Okay, at previous chapter we built the barbershop database with data defining language or DDL like create DB, use DB, create table, alter primary key, foreign key, insert value, and many more. So today we discuss about config and manage user account, replication, and backup restore. Alright guys, my roles: config user account and distribute replication between cashier and admin. Okay, this tutorial will fast as possible, and so you must listen carefully to understand what the speaker is saying. Okay, I will create 3 accounts for admin, owner, and cashier. Each account has different characteristics, so this is tutorial create user account and role.
Okay, before I start the tutorial, you have to install the Windows Server and Microsoft SQL Server like this. Okay, the first is create an admin account. Go to user tab, add the user account, type admin and fill the password, retype the password. Level of access is administrator. Click next and create an account. Close. Login with admin account in SQL Server and click connect. The second step is create an owner account. Add the user account, type owner. Level of access is administrator. Next, and create an account. Open the SQL Server Management Studio, expand the security, logins, new logins. Choose SQL Server Authentication. Type owner in login name. Fill the password. Uncheck the user must change password at next login. Default database is only barbershop. Click OK. Okay, like this. And the database is for barbershop. Expand the security, expand the user, and add new user is owner. And click OK. Okay, for server roles, to limited function for owner account, this tutorial like this: security, new server role. In secureable tab, click server, grant, alter any database, click member is owner, check name, okay. In membership, check the DB creator and this admin, click OK. And then for database roles, like this: new and database role. Role name, check the DB backup operator, DB DDL admin, DB data reader, and DB data writer. Secureable, search all object of the type, choose the table, okay. And customer, grant alter, deny delete, grant insert, grant select, grant update, transaction is due, grant, deny, insert, select, update, for all table in barbershop database. Click OK. OK, and then next to create cashier account in Windows 10. Open the SQL Server Management Studio in Windows 10 with administrator account, and then expand security, login, and new login. Choose SQL Server Authentication. Login name is cashier. Uncheck the user must change password at next login. Default database is barbershop, and fill the password. Click OK. And then for limited function, it's less than owner, just like this. Server roles, new server roles. Type server role name is expand the server. Grant alter any database. Member is cashier. Click OK. Check the DB creator and this admin. Click OK. Expand the database. Create a new user with cashier, login name cashier 2. Okay, click OK, and then create database role for cashier account. Check the DB detail admin, DB data reader, and DB data writer. Insecurable, click search, all object of the type, and table. Click OK. In customer and transaction, grant alter, deny delete, grant insert, grant select, and update. And for table, just grant select, employee grant select, save grant select, and service grant select. Click OK. Okay. Okay, what's happened if we roll the cashier with cashier account? SQL Server, login with cashier, type the password. Just can access the barbershop database like this. If we expand the adventure works, it's not accessible. The conclusion is user account tutorial used to give the permission from admin to owner and cashier, and give limited access account with server, database, and security roles. Okay, the next tutorial is replication.
Replication discuss about distribution data from one instance to another instance, from cashier to admin, real-time, and synchronous. So check this out, this tutorial about replication.
Okay, this tutorial about replication from cashier to admin. Why? Because all transaction and customer data can synchronize real-time from both user. Are you interested? So check out this tutorial. Okay, expand the replication, configure the distribution. Click next, and click next. Okay, from snapshot folder, public folder. Why? Because can access with all account. Like this, and next. Click next, and finish. close, and then create new publication. Next, database, barbershop database, click next. Transactional publication. Okay, why? Because the publisher streams transaction to the subscriber after they receive an initial snapshot of the published data. Okay, click next. Expand the table. Just customer and employee. Next. Check the create a snapshot immediately. Next. Okay, fill the snapshot agent security. Type admin account. Publication name is Replication and click finish. Okay, success. And then in Windows Server as admin account, login with administrator account in Windows Server. Create a new database. This is barbershop replication. And go to replication local subscription. Click new. Next. Click pull subscription. Next. Checklist. And subscription database is barbershop replication. Click next. Click next. Initialize checklist and next and finish. Okay. And last from replication is the testing. Replication from cashier to admin. Select the database from server. Select the database from cashier. Expand the table and customer like this. And from server, expand the table, customer. Select this. Okay, from cashier insert transaction table on cashier and execute the SQL in cashier account, and then check customer table in admin account in server. And it's synchronized. It's in server and it's in cashier. And you can see the log with right click replication and launch replication monitor like this. Okay, the next tutorial is backup with Azmi and restore with Ghea.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azmi Muslim. I will explain how to create backup in SQL Server. Before I explain how to create backup in SQL Server, I will explain what backup is. So, backup is a process of duplicating data or making data backup of existing data. Backup is also useful for reversing data to a certain point of time. Benefit of backing up data is that we still have a backup of data from loss, damage, erased data, whether caused by our own mistakes or other factor beyond our ability. That way, the data backup we have stored can be used again as a substitute for data that has been lost, damaged, or erased earlier. Data backup function refers more to the safety and comfort factor in using a computer. Okay, let's start how to backup with automatic SQL in SQL Server. First, connect to the SQL Server and select the SQL Server gem and right-click and search start and open folder name management. Then right-click on the maintain plans and click the name maintain plans and fill the name to continue. And in the maintenance plan text panel on the left, click backup, double click backup database text and right click and click edit on the backup database text, and then click the drop down and specify the database backup. Click OK and go to destination and specify the storage location and backup file extension and click OK. And tap on the calendar icon in section, highlight right move on the work schedule screen. This will bring up the job schedule screen like this, and configure the time frequency needed for backup. Backup are usually done daily, weekly, monthly. Okay. And next, save the maintain plan by pressing the save icon. Let's see the backup file. Yes, this. And making database backup schedule has been complete, and the backup file I will give to Ghea.
Okay, my name is Ghea. Now my part. I will explain about restore. Restore from English which means return. In accordance with its meaning, restore is the process of returning data or file to their original place. I use this method because it is easier to understand and easier to do. How to do a restore? Right-click on the database that you want to restore and prepare the data that has been backed up. Select as, choose restore and select database. It will look like this. Change the sort from database to defines. Select the data. Add has been prepared and find your data. Okay. Give a name to the database and check your data. Yes. Then in the file section, make sure the name on restore as match name are given. Okay. Then in the option section, empty everything. Yes. After the three sections are finished, select the script and select New Query Editor window. Click. The query will look like this, and don't forget to add Go in here. Okay, back to restore database. Okay, And if successful, it will look like this. Database, barbershop, DB2, restore success.